Today I am reviewing the Wacom Cintiq 16 drawing tablet with screen. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're serious about digital art, animation, illustration, or design work, the Wacom Cintiq 16 drawing tablet is one of those tools that can genuinely transform your creative workflow. This isn't just a drawing tablet. It's a full interactive display designed to give artists a direct, natural connection between hand and screen, and that difference is immediately noticeable the moment you start using it. The first thing you experience is the 16-inch IPS display, which offers a sharp 2.5K WQXGA resolution, 2560 by 1600. The clarity is excellent, especially for detailed artwork, line work, and shading. Everything appears crisp and well-defined, giving you a proper digital canvas rather than just a monitor you draw on. For artists working on illustrations, concept art, or animation frames, that extra resolution helps maintain precision even in the smallest details. Color accuracy is another major strength of this display. With 100% sRGB and 99% DCI, P3 coverage, the Cintiq 16 delivers a wide and accurate color gamut that closely matches modern professional standards. This means what you see on screen is very close to what you'll get in print or final digital output. Colors feel rich, balanced, and consistent, which is extremely important for professionals who need reliable color grading and consistency across projects. Where this tablet truly stands out is in its pen experience. The included Wacom Pro Pen 3 is one of the most advanced styluses in its category. It features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which allows for extremely precise control over line weight, opacity, and brush dynamics. Even the lightest stroke is detected accurately, making sketching feel natural and expressive. The pen also supports tilt recognition, which adds another layer of realism when shading or using brush tools. One of the most important aspects for any digital artist is how natural the drawing experience feels, and the Cintiq 16 does a great job here. Because you're drawing directly on the screen, there is no disconnect between hand and cursor. It feels much closer to traditional drawing on paper, but with all the advantages of digital tools. This makes it especially valuable for beginners transitioning from paper as well as professionals looking for a more intuitive workflow. The design of the tablet is also thoughtfully executed. It comes with built-in fold-out legs that provide a 20-degree drawing angle, which is comfortable for most users during long sessions. For those who want more flexibility, it also supports an adjustable stand, allowing you to customize the angle based on your posture or workspace setup. This helps reduce strain during extended creative work sessions. Connectivity is straightforward but requires attention. The tablet connects via USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode or Thunderbolt 3/4 support, ensuring smooth video and data transmission from your computer. It works with both Mac and PC systems, making it versatile for different creative setups. However, users should ensure compatibility with their system's ports, as some setups may require additional cables or adapters. In real-world usage, the Wacom Cintiq 16 feels like a professional-grade creative tool built for serious work. Whether you are working in Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, Illustrator, Blender, or animation software, the responsiveness of the pen combined with the clarity of the display creates a smooth and efficient workflow. Brush strokes feel immediate, lag is minimal, and precision is consistently reliable. For illustrators and animators, this tablet offers a major productivity boost. The ability to draw directly on the screen eliminates the guesswork of hand-eye coordination that comes with traditional pen tablets. It also speeds up the creative process, allowing ideas to flow more naturally from imagination to screen. Of course, like any professional tool, there are considerations. The Cintiq 16 is not a standalone device. It requires connection to a computer. It also lacks some premium extras like built-in shortcut buttons on the display itself, which some higher-end models include. However, these trade-offs help keep it more accessible while still maintaining Wacom's professional-level performance. In conclusion, the Wacom Cintiq 16 is a highly capable and reliable drawing display that strikes a strong balance between performance, color accuracy, and natural pen input. It is ideal for digital artists, designers, animators, and game developers who want a direct and immersive creative experience without moving into extremely expensive high-end models. If you're looking to seriously upgrade your digital art workflow, this is one of the most trusted and effective tools you can invest in.